Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. Today we're going to do a really big Ulta haul. I know I just did one like a month or two ago, but in my defense, I don't need to defend myself. They were having a lot of like 5 times the points, and I had points myself to spend, and I had gift cards to spend, so that's what brought us here today. A lot of this is replenishment things, and I placed a couple orders, so I used points from the first order to get stuff from the next order, and so on and so forth. If you shop at Ulta, you know their point system is really, really good. So we're just going to jump into it. Okay, so first thing, one of the things is in my shower right now. I needed some shampoo, so that's already in the shower. This is a replenishment of the Not Your Mother's Curl Talk hair gel. I love this when I wear my hair curly. My hair is naturally very curly. This is a new thing for me. This is the Main Choice Natural Growth and Retention Growth Oil. So I've been looking, I have a dry scalp no matter what I do, so we're gonna see if this helps with my dry scalp and also growing my hair. I feel like it sheds a lot. I take my vitamins and stuff. I feel like the thinner patches that I had noticed a couple years ago, I feel like those are filling back in, but it can't hurt to stack the deck a little bit. This is the conditioner that I'm going to try. This is the Not Your Mother's Tahitian Gardenia Flower and Mango Butter Curl Definition Conditioner. I got the shampoo counterpart to this, and that is what is in my shower right now. I used the shampoo today. It was lovely. It smells so nice. Okay, and then I got these for the 4th of July. We had some at Red Aspen, and I think the ones that I wanted sold out, so I got these instead. I do like the Kiss nails as well. I will always use the Red Aspen glue, but any nail is fine. So these are super cute. Just some sparkly ones, stripes, stars. You can see that. And then, that's not from this one. This is from the last one. I got 2 boxes of this hair color. I've tried it before. It's fine. It's the perfect 10, nice and easy. I got mine in the shade Jet Black. Give that a go. Here's just the other box of that. And then this is also a repurchase. This is the Not Your Mother's Curl Talk Curl Cream. I really like that stuff as well. If you have not tried the Not Your Mother's Curl Talk stuff before, they do have a travel size. You get the gel, the curl cream, and the mousse, and you get it for $9.99 from Ulta. I'm not sure if you can get it from somewhere else. But it's great. I've used that before too. This is a new thing I wanted to try. This is the Kiss Glue Off Instant False Nail Remover. You apply the liquid and then you can just lift it off with the tip that's on the bottle. I thought that would be interesting. Normally I will break the seal around the edge of the nail when I'm ready to take them off, and then I will use cuticle oil like the night before I want to fully take them off, so it can like soak in overnight, and then I can use one of those little flosser, one of the little flossers to go underneath the nail, and they just pop right off. But I thought this might be fun to try too, just something different. Then I did not need another wet brush, but this is Mrs. And if you didn't know, we're getting married in the fall, so I thought that would be, and it's just the travel size, so I thought that would be fun to have. So let's see. This was a gift with purchase, and it's a lot bigger than I thought. It's a little tote bag. Has a nice bottom to it, and it says Hello Sunshine. It's a really big bag. So this will be super cute just to use for the grocery store or whatever. There's no pockets or closures or anything like that, but I mean, it was free, so. I think if you spent $15 on Ulta products, I think think that's how you got that, but it's so cute. And then I told you guys I like all kinds of false nails. These are, I've not tried this line of nails from Kiss before, but these are the Majestic nails, high-end prestigious Mani. 30 reusable nails. It includes the glue and the tabs, which I will not be using. But I got 2 different ones. There's this one here. I know there's kind of a glare. There's those there, and then those there. I just thought those were really, really pretty. There's some more nails in here too. The nails will last, whichever ones you put on can last. Whichever nails you put on, they'll last a couple weeks, but I usually only like to get a week or so because I get bored and I have so many to use. So that's why I get so many. This I wanted to try for applying powder to my whole body after I put a fresh fake tan on. I know they make certain or specific powders to apply after you've put on a fresh fake tan to get rid of the stickiness and help with transfer of the color guard. You can just use any powder, like baby powder, any kind of powder. I've been using a setting powder because I don't have any sort of a body powder, but I wanted a really big fluffy brush, so got this one. And if I don't like it for that, it'll still be a great powder or bronzer brush for my face too. This one I've had my eye on for a while, and they had it on clearance for $8. I think it's like a $20 bag. I love different travel pouches and stuff like that. So this is from the brand Tartan and Twine. I've gotten several things from that brand before. Hopefully it's focusing because I can't see. It just has, it's a little weird, but it's like a scrunchy handle, and then there are 2 zippers on top. Got gold tone hardware, smooth zipper. I think this is still available. In one you have 2 little side pockets, and the front one is just open. There's no other pockets in there. I thought that would be great for travel, dividing anything, you know. Let's get the other nails out of the way. These are from Kiss as well. These are super long. These kind of match the bag I just showed you. And then these are like a really pretty neon, like periwinkle color. And then these are repurchases. I returned the Jaclyn Cosmetics. No, there we go. I returned this. This is her Skin Perfecting Blurring Tint and the concealer. I returned them because I bought 2 light of shades. I messed up and I thought she had this lighter shade, and I thought that was the one that she said she used. I just didn't remember correctly. I went back and I watched her video explaining, and I got the shades that she said she uses. She said she uses them when she's tan and when she's not tan. So that's what I need because we're both really fair and we both like a really good dark tan. So I got in the shade this time medium. I have used this. It is exactly what I was hoping the product would be. If you want, I can do like a super quick, like running out the door kind of a makeup look. I already have like a no makeup look up, but that's a little more involved than what I did the other day, and it's so cute for summer. So let me know if you want to see that. I'll probably film it anyway, or I'll probably record it anyway, but let me know if you want to see it either way. So anyway, got this in the shade medium, and then the concealer I got in the shade light medium yellow. Again, these are the shades that Jaclyn said that she uses. This is what the actual packaging looks like for the blurring tint, and then the concealer. I love her packaging. And then this is the concealer. This concealer I'll probably only be able to use when I have a really dark fake tan on, but that's okay. I don't mind. I have plenty of really light concealers. I needed a deeper concealer for when I have a fake tan on, which is obviously not right now. And then this is a repurchase of the J-Cat Stay Assurance concealer in the shade Buff. The focusing. There we go. Old school. I love this concealer. It's beautiful. So that's what the color looks like. And then a couple more nail related items. This is the Kiss New York Artificial Nail Tip Clipper. Sometimes if I'm wearing the really long nails, I like to trim them down before I remove them. It's just easier for the flosser to get underneath, because you can also break the seal at the end of the nail a lot better when you clip it. So I like that. And also sometimes I get tired of wearing the really long ones and I clip them down just a little bit shorter. So this will give a nice even cut instead of like hacking at it with regular nail clippers. Also got the Ulta Beauty manicure sticks. These look like they're kind of rough. I thought they would be smooth and gentle, but they look kind of rough. So we'll see. All these nail kits, they always come with a cuticle pusher, but the wooden ones I just don't prefer. Hopefully these are nice and soft. If not, oh well. This I've already been using is the Estee Lauder Little Black Primer. Emily Noel recommends this to, if you're having problems with your mascara transferring, you can go over any mascara with this Estee Lauder Little Black Primer, and it kind of waterproofs it a little bit, or at least helps it from not transferring. And also she says it'll help hold a curl. I've used it to help hold a curl, and I can vouch for that because the mascara that I used on top of this that I had been using previously without anything else, it would not hold a curl at all. But I put this on, let it dry, and then I put the other mascara on top of it, and it held my curl. So this is I filmed like 3 videos before this. I'm a little tired. This is the Jaclyn Cosmetics Skin Perfecting Oil Primer. I've been wanting to try this, so I got it. The packaging is just so beautiful. So beautiful. I cannot wait to try this stuff. Now that I have the proper shades, I have liked every single thing that I've tried from her line. Every single thing. 2 more things and we're done. This is the Ulta Beauty Complexion Crush Medium Coverage Foundation. I got mine in the shade light to medium neutral. Michaela on TikTok was talking about this, and her skin always looks beautiful, but I wanted to try this because she really liked it. I would really like this to focus. Thank you. And then the last thing is from LA Girl. This is a lip oil. I'm pretty sure this is the watermelon. Yeah, sweet watermelon. If you don't know, I love watermelon. So that's it for this Ulta haul. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not already. And make sure to stay tuned because I will be using all of this stuff and I will update you on my thoughts, whether I really liked it, whether I don't. There's not really a lot to do really get ready with me in, but I can do like another full face of Jaclyn if you want to do that. I can do updated nail routines if you want to see those, because I filmed the ones that I have up on my channel already. I filmed those like 2 years ago, year and a half ago. They're kind of old, so now that I've had more experience, I can maybe be a little bit more concise, and the video quality will definitely be better. I know this is still not up to like Showtime YouTube, but it's what we're working with. It's what we got. It's the place we have to be in. I'm gonna quit rambling and go get something to eat because I have not even had lunch today, and it's like 2:30, 3 o'clock I think at this point. So yeah, anyway, like I said, I'm gonna go now. Talk to you later. Bye.